Hi guys, I am Nasir Sheikh and I welcome you all to my channel Yasir Technocrats. In previous session we had discussed about relative coordinate system. If you have not watched that video, the link is in description below, you can watch it later. Now let us go to today's session. In today's session, let we learn about polar coordinate system. Now we go to our desktop screen. In AutoCAD interface, I will try my best to teach you what is about polar coordinate system. Okay friends, let us have a look on AutoCAD interface. Now I will take two examples of rectangle and square to explain polar coordinate system. If we want to draw this rectangle having length 200 mm and width 100 mm by using polar coordinate system, first of all we want to know the concept of this system. Let us know about coordinates in polar coordinate system. Now let us have a look on this axis. Here the x-axis, it is 0 degrees, in y-axis top side it is 90 degrees and left side minus x-axis, negative x-axis direction will be 180 degrees and negative y-axis direction perpendicularly it will be 270 degrees. Now if we want to draw a rectangle with polar coordinate system, we have a syntax, that is we want to first type @ symbol and then distance and the angle. Here we no need want to give the x coordinate and y coordinate. So let us start a rectangle. Now I am taking line command and I click any point at any place in this workspace. Suppose let us take here. Now this will be the origin. Okay. If we type @ symbol, for next coordinate what we want to do? We want to type @ symbol and the distance and the angle. In this direction it will be the angle will be 0 degrees in x-axis. So I am typing @ symbol and the distance, how much distance? 200 mm length and less than symbol and 0 degrees, 0. Press enter. See, now we got this point. Now to go to the next point with coordinates, we want to see what is the distance. The distance is 100 mm. So again I am repeating the same syntax. Press @ symbol and the distance 100 and angle means less than 90. Press enter. See, you got in 90 degrees direction this coordinate, and same in left side. Here no need to give the minus, negative symbol we no need to give, direct give distance. So again I am continuing the same, repeating the same syntax. I am typing @ symbol and 200 mm length and less than. Here the angle will be how much? 180 degrees. I am typing 180 and press enter. See, now we got this coordinates. Same we repeat for the next coordinate. This coordinate, this point will be, the distance will be 100 in y direction. The angle will be 270 degrees as we shown here. So I am repeating the syntax @ and the length is 100 and the angle is less than symbol we want to keep and then 270. Press enter. See, now like this way, by using polar coordinate system we can draw a rectangle. Okay friends, now let us have a look on other example, that is square. Okay. See, to draw this square in this shape by using polar coordinate system, we want to understand that the angle between the squares, will be, means perpendicular lines will be 90 degrees and half of this will be 45 degrees. Okay, the square is with length 150 and width also 150 mm. So now let us take line command and try to draw this square in this shape by using polar coordinate system. Now I am taking line command. Now I am clicking first point at any point in the workspace. Now let us take here. It is the first point. Now I want to draw the second coordinate, means what will be the next point. So as we discussed before, first we want to type @ symbol and then distance and then angle. No need to type x and y coordinates and no need to type the negative direction minus and positive direction like that. Okay, now I am taking the next coordinate. First we type @ symbol and then distance is 150 and for angle less than. Now what will be this point? This line will be, if it is 0 origin, then it is in 45 degrees because half of this 90 degrees is 45 degrees. So I am taking 45. Press enter. See, now we got this line in this shape. As usual, now let us take the second next coordinate, means next point. Now I am typing @ and the distance 150 and the angle will be how much? If it is 0, okay, if it is 0 and this line means here this line for 90 degrees plus 45 degrees, it is 135. So I am typing 135. Press enter. See, we got this point also. And the next point will be @ 150 and less than angle, which one? See, this one. For this one how much? For 180 degrees and plus 45. How much it will be? 225. So please, now we will type @ distance 150 angle 225 and press enter. See, now we got this point also and we are going to next point. The next point will be which one? @ 150 distance and the angle will be how much? This line, this shape, how much it will be? It will be 270 plus 45. How much it will be? 315. So let us type 315. See, @ 150 distance less than 315. Enter. See, now we got this square with 150 distance and angle like this. Like this we can draw any shapes by using polar coordinate system. Okay friends, if you have gained some knowledge through my video, please like my video and share it, and also please subscribe my channel Yasi Technocrats.